Hello, my name is Krishna, and today I'm here to talk to you about fossil fuel dependency. First of all, what are fossil fuels? A fossil fuel is a natural fuel such as coal or gas formed in the geographical past from the remains of living organisms. It is used as energy that basically fuels machines and much more. It basically fuels everything from our cars to our airplanes to even the heat in our homes. The three main types of fossil fuels. There are three main types of fossil fuels. It includes coal, oil, and natural gases. Coal is a hard, black-colored rock-like substance. It is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and varying amounts of sulfur. Oil is another fossil fuel. It was also formed more than 300 million years ago. Some scientists say that tiny diatoms are the source of oil. Diatoms are sea creatures the size of a pinhead. They do one thing just like plants. They convert sunlight directly into stored energy. Natural gas is lighter than air. Natural gas is mostly made up of gas called methane. Methane is a simple chemical compound that is made up of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Its chemical formula is CH4, one atom of carbon along with 4 atoms hydrogen. There are many disadvantages of fossil fuels. Some disadvantages include environmental hazards, rising prices, acid rain, human health being damaged, it being a non-renewable resource, the impact on aquatic life due to oil spills, coal mining, and the need for a huge amount of reserves. One example of why fossil fuels are an environmental hazard is because of pollution. Pollution is probably fossil fuels' biggest disadvantage. What happens is that when fossil fuels are being burnt, CO2 is being released into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, which is the main cause for global warming. Global warming is illustrated like a big blanket covering the whole Earth, which causes it to be warmer and warmer. And due to this warmth, it can cause serious climate changes that will affect Earth in many ways. Another example is rising prices. The prices of oil will slowly increase due to it being a non-renewable resource. A non-renewable resource is basically a resource that cannot be produced as fast as it is being consumed. Oil takes millions of years to make, so as supply decreases, prices increases. Fossil fuels can also lead to the creation of ozone holes. As carbon dioxide is being trapped in the atmosphere, it creates things called ozone holes. These holes allow dangerous UV rays to make contact on Earth's surface, which can be harmful to human health, causing medical problems such as cancer and skin diseases. The impact on aquatic life due to oil spills. Sometimes oils get spilled into the ocean, which can cause the lack of oxygen within the oceans, causing many aquatic animals to die. Coal mining is not only dangerous for the environment, it is also dangerous to human well-being. And the need for huge amount of reserves, which causes an imbalance in the ecosystem. But there are alternatives. Today we have alternatives. Fossil fuels would obviously have to be replaced one day, and some of these examples can be the answer. Today we have hydroelectricity, nuclear energy plants, solar energy, wind power, and biomass fuel. And the best things is that most of these alternatives are used of water, sunlight, wind, and plant. These are all renewable resources that can all be replaced as fast as it is being consumed. These alternatives are the key element to a safer environment, which can also save a lot of money and time. Oil or fossil fuels take millions and millions of years to produce. But with these alternatives, we can take advantage of the natural resources and still have energy.